Do you know you would never feel negative emotion, not one time ever, if in your physical body you did not ask for more? If contrast did not cause you to know what you don't want so that you know more clearly what you do want, the non-physical part of you would not become more. And if the non-physical part of you did not become more, there would be no vibrational variance between who you are being in your physical moment and who you have become. Now, if you can grasp that, everything in your world will begin to make sense to you. Everything in your life and everything in the life of anyone that you get to watch up close. Because every time you feel negative emotion, it always means the same thing. Your life caused you to expand, and you in your physical body didn't go. In other words, you go to the mailbox, the bills are all there, it's that time of the month. You sit at your desk, you have more bills than you have money, and you feel fear, frustration, maybe anger. You feel those negative emotions that you feel when there isn't enough of something you want, or when there's too much of something you don't want. And in that contrasting moment, you do something that probably on this topic you've done many times. You emanate now a clearer, stronger rocket of desire that says, I want more money, I want stability, I want to be financially on top of my world. And as you emanate this rocket, we are not kidding you even a little bit. The non-physical part of you receives it fully, understands it completely, focuses upon it entirely, and never deviates from the newfound vibrational place that you just discovered through that contrasting experience just now. So now what's happened is your intense desire for financial well-being has been exaggerated one more time, and the non-physical part of you has become vibrationally more prosperous as a result of your contrasting experience. You just expanded. The question is, and now, law of attraction, this powerful law that is responding to all vibrations, is responding to this point of attraction. And we so want to get your attention. We so want you to understand what that point of attraction is. You, this eternal you that has been attracting for longer than you even have any sense of time. And all cooperative components are being assembled to that point of attraction. The question is, are you a cooperative component? Or are you saying, I don't have enough money. I don't have enough money. What am I going to do? I don't have enough money. I've never had enough. I've never had enough. I've never had enough. We're beating the drum. I've never had enough. I've never had enough. I've never had enough. You get a sort of cadence going. That's what a belief is. A belief is just a thought you keep thinking. So if your belief is, it's hard, I don't know what I'm going to do, I don't have enough, I can't make my money stretch, I don't know how to get more money, I'm working as hard as I can. As you beat the drum of not enough money, you keep active in yourself a vibration that prevents you from being a cooperative component. Now, over here where law of attraction is responding to your new desire, not just responding to it, has vibrationally become it. And we want you to understand how good that is. Do you know that everything you see that is manifested, including this planet that you live on that is spinning in its orbit in perfect proximity to other planets, everything that you know as your vibrational universe was once a vibration that was attracting all cooperative components. So it takes some attraction before it becomes manifest, but by the time you are here on this planet, in this physical body as an extension of source energy, when life causes you to ask for something and you put it into your vibrational reality, you like that term? Your vibrational reality, we're calling this vibrational reality. This is your reality. This is your vibrational reality. We want you to feel the fullness and the bigness and the importance and the power of this vibrational reality, because it exists always before there is a manifestation. And the time between the vibrational reality existing and the reality that you count as you put the money in your bank and so on, that time difference can be instantaneous. There can be no time difference when the vibrations match up. In other words, when you ask for something and you believe it, there's no vibrational variance, so there's no time difference. It happens. When you want something and you know it, it is. But when you want it and doubt it, there's a time gap because you're not vibrationally up to speed with what you're asking for. And you got to get vibrationally up to speed with what you're asking for, or you are not a cooperative component. Now, you don't need to worry. Other cooperative components are not going to run off with your stuff. Because you have put them there and they are being tended for you. This is your creation. This is your unique creation that is vibrationally encoded to you, for you, by you, and tended to by the larger part of you. You've just got to become a vibrational match to it, which means you got to chill out. You got to stop beating the drum. You've got to stop using the step one experience. You know what step one is? Step one is where contrast causes you to ask. Step one, so vital. But if you get hung up in step one, I'm